I was talking to a colleague today about harmony and how old consoles had a problem of polyphony that became, instead of a problem, like a way of working the music, right? So, for example, in this song that I composed for Chancellor and Bob Morbrow, you had three channels that can play notes and one channel that plays noise. So the thing here is each of these three channels that play notes can only play one note each. They cannot play chords, so it's monophonic. It's three monophonic channels. So you have the bass, the first melody, and the second melody. And that's all you have to, like, tell the brain of the people, the person that's hearing the music, what's the harmony and what are the chords of the song, right? So it makes sense. So for example, this part, so you can see this, it's a bit complex, it's not simple, but it's only three notes every time, all the time. There's nothing more than three notes, and you can make seventh chords, you can make, I don't know, chromatic things and all that. So what's the thing that we can learn from this? Because okay, yeah, we're limited here, but if we go to like a modern DAW and do music like we do nowadays, we don't have such limitations. Okay, no, but we can learn from that, and we can use the things that we learned about voicings and about, it's not only about pluck chords or like vertical slices of notes, like that's okay, but it's more interesting if we work the inner connections between notes. So look at this, same progression, but now I will pay more attention to not jump around with the chords, but make something that makes sense between the notes inside the chords. So that's already better. You can see, instead of doing the basic C, B flat, F, I'm doing another version of C here with the G down there. This way I can move the whole thing down one step and play the B flat, and here I'm almost there with the F chord. Just have to move these two notes and have the F. So this is a very simple example, but this to me sounds much better than, right? And same with the bass, I don't know, for example. And that opens another level of thinking of the harmony, because we're thinking of those and at the same time, so those melodies are playing at the same time. And yeah, instead of that, I could play like, or I don't know, like paying attention to, or no, stuff like that, right? Like I'm trying to make melodies inside of the chords. So yeah, I could bring more examples of this, better examples actually, but I didn't want to think too much of this and just put it out there. So yeah, I think that's what I wanted to talk about today. I hope you find this interesting, and if you have any questions or you want to move forward with this topic and talk a little bit more, you can write in the comments or send me a message or whatever, you know. So yeah, see you around.